Hi, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap the home screen and wallpaper. Here you'll see wallpaper section, tap here once and we can select our new wallpaper from our device gallery. So here you can find your previously taken photos on your device camera or downloaded from the internet photos, or also we can use our default wallpapers or just to click to more wallpapers here. For example, let's use now one from this available wallpapers, tap apply and select lock screen. Now just let's lock our device and we can see that we just successfully changed it. If you wanna just by another way change lock screen wallpaper, or you can do that. Just first we should slide with our fingers at the same time to the center, then click here to the left down corner to wallpaper icon, and by the same way just select the photo from your device gallery, default wallpapers, or just we could click to more wallpapers here and we'll see here just the preset temps. For example, let's use the town and we can see here the lock screen wallpaper, the home screen one. So let's click to apply. And now let's lock our device. So we can see that we just successfully changed it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.